Oh man, you don't know. I was cooking with M to the Dollaz side. M to the O. Dinner time now. And I gonna make some chicken Alfredo pasta. You see me? I'm not doing no special from scratch business. We don't have time for that, brother. I'm gonna buy the people them business. Boop. And this is what we're working with. You see me have a chicken here so now. Slice up some of them. I have an egg mash up right here so. Boop. You see me? Alright. Flour there. I'm gonna dip the chicken in. I'm gonna fry the chicken in that. Check me out. You see me? No? Turn on the fire. Make it bubble up. Water there in that pot, make it bubble up, brother. In the meantime, I'll start here, so. Like I said, I don't do cooking. We just gotta, we adapting right now. This is what we doing, we adapting. Okay, pre the levels. Over here, my hot water boiling. Nah, man, alright? So, you see me? Get a little salt. I'm gonna fly this now. You see me? Some fettuccine. You know, like my dog's upon the wall. Just a wait for a card. Another. That one. The feet thing. I already washed it off with the vinegar. Wash it off with the vinegar. You see me? So let's worry about that. Make them thing, I know. Open them, dropping that water, you see me? I know I have chicken. Seasoned chicken. Seasoned, brother. Seasoned. You see me? Sorry. All purpose, you see me? Paprika. I think of hot.
Indeed, I mean, it's just hard. You have a child. You always hear.
There's my motorcycle insurance.
Go have to do it next side.
Less than 300. It's the minimum balances.
I'm a skillet over here, so I'm gonna bring it over here, so now. Boom! Alright. Pasta bubble up now. Turn off the fire. I'm gonna pour off the water now. Back to the stove. I have stir fried chicken. Olive oil. Fire. Now get the chicken. I rub down. You see me? I'm rubbing garland. Chop it. Start dipping them in the flour. Make sure everything cover up. Egg no. What's glad? Try something. I will. Next piece. I can put as much can fit in that skillet. I don't have time right now. Wait, I'm hungry. New music, new video, first quarter. Red Bottom's out right now on YouTube. Okay, people, if you take a quick look, the chicken I do some snacker cracker pop up business. Alright, I got it to a brown that I'm keeping, you feel me? I'm not trying to get too deep and it dry up. Alright, and the Popeye is this, brother. Stop it. Listen. Stop it, man. Watch out. That not good. That brown, man. Chicken down low. I'm going to slice them up, you know. Slice them up like what they do it in a restaurant. Is just want to get off some of the excess ham. Not too much ham in the thing, brother. Wash off your board, so wash your face. Wash.
About life,
Nice.
you know, but they didn't give us a choice. This is where we're going, and I remember at the airport.
Now that this done, now I can take this.
By the time I got
Nice
sober,
pot
it
with
was
the
almost
pasta.
30.
Damn. Before I put in the chicken, I put in the sauce. You see me? I wish I made it myself. You see me?
In a home that
Then, work up the pasta. And throw the whole thing in it. Oh, man. Throw the whole thing. That's good chicken, I ain't gonna lie. You know, some crushed pepper like a pizza, brother. Cause I Italian.
what do you believe?
That is right.
What the world
Chicken Alfredo, wait till I pull out the plate and I'll show you what Pretty ladies and bad man gentlemen, this is it.
At work, he like, you know, Mom,
This is it, the moment we made. I didn't have no Parmesan cheese. Do not diss me. If you diss me, me diss you. But
because he
dinner
doesn't
is
have
fuck.
the